Mahlangu is in the hot seat again over her department's decision to save 300 million rands from their budget at the expense of 3,000 Esidimeni patients. Evidence leaders were relentless in their questioning.
So you were misled?
I've always said that, and I stand by that.
And you never queried any of these concerns that were raised by the psychiatrists or SADAG? You didn't query that with your officials?
My lady, if I may say that, and I think it's important for the purposes of emphasis, that I was a political head of the Department of Health. My expertise lied in economics and finance, and I worked with the plethora and lots of people who were expertise and authority in their field of operation. I had to rely on them.
The removal of the patients at the Esidimeni facilities led to 144 patients dying during the relocation process. Evidence before the court suggests the relocation was part of the department's plan to save millions of rands. Some of the patients died while being accommodated at ill-equipped and unlicensed NGOs after the 2016 relocation. Evidence leaders want to hold Mahlangu responsible for her part in the tragedy.
Making sure that we do things right and
sorry, I've got to interrupt you because I do want to conclude my cross-examination at some point soon. So I don't need the extra information, just the answers to my questions.
But Mahlangu insists that the decision to relocate the mentally ill patients from Life Esidimeni facilities was taken jointly with the Provincial Executive Committee and that the patients were prioritized in the department's budget. She further added that despite efforts by the department to engage with all the necessary stakeholders, families were influenced not to cooperate.
Families were discouraged from working with the Department of Health. Families were coached to say, this is what you must do and all of that. And I don't remember exactly what was the timing of all of these things because in the end, I said to the HOD, you have to provide leadership, engage with the families directly.
The inquiry continues.